Dancing.
Dancing? We're dancing. Give us a place.
Polka dancing.
Polka dancing. Polka dancing. I don't know how to polka dance. I don't really know what that is. That's when you get like the... I don't really do it. Why are you just freeze.
Polka robot dance.
You're showing oranges! What? No, give me! Why? You're showing oranges! What? You're showing oranges!
It's a lie.
It's a lie. Oh, the orange attack! Go! Go! No, I will kill you with the orange. No, freeze. If you say freeze, you like really gotta. Please don't yell it, but make sure you understand because we're into it. Can't do it. Because they're talking, they can't really. But yeah, fun too. Epic fail.
Yeah, we ran out of flour, didn't we?
Yeah, it's a mess.
Well, go buy something now.
Huh? What?
There's a bowl right there. It's very dark. I hope something molests you in there.
Oh my god!
Oh hey, I found it. Flour.
Flour. Just kidding.
Flour right here. Get back over you. I could sit like that too and choke in sauce day.
Where's the freeze has to come out now? Nick.
You can take the sitting position without